Hello children, today's life skills topic is willpower. What is willpower? Willpower can be described as the ability of a person to accomplish a goal, to reach a goal. When somebody is trying to reach a goal, there will be so many diversions, temptations. The ability of a person to resist all those temptations and keep moving ahead towards the goal can be called as willpower. You are not understood, isn't it? I will explain with all the examples. All of you will understand for sure. Keep watching, keep listening to what I am saying. I'll give you examples. Let us take up the example of an elder. An elder who is obese, fatty. One fine day, he or she understands, my God, I've put on so much of weight. I have to reduce my weight. So they consult a doctor or they consult a nutritionist or a friend or somebody. So they understand that they are taking too much of food. That too, high calorie food. What is high calorie food? Certain foods supply very less calories to the body. Most of the vegetables, for example, kira, is a low calorie food. Ghee, sweets, fried foods, etc. are high calorie foods. So the person thinks, no, from today onwards, I am not going to take these high calorie foods. I am going to eat moderately. I am going to eat more of vegetables, green leafy vegetables, and I am going to do workouts and I am going to reduce my weight. The person takes a decision. This happens to be the New Year's resolution of many people. Okay, right, good. The journey has started. January 1st, the person has not taken much. Like, even though it was New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, the person has avoided most of the junk foods, most of the high calorie foods. Okay, and the person has taken moderate quantity of brown rice or millet rice, etc. Good. January 2nd, chalta. I mean, the person has also started working out either at home or in the gym. Now, January 3rd, there is a get together. The person has gone there. The person sees lots of sweets, favorite sweets, ice creams. My God, aaj jaane do bhai, kya hai isme? Ee roz pote poyindi. Let me have one cup of ice cream today and just one pizza. That Coke is looking so good. So many people are having it. Let me have one glass or one bottle of Coke. The person feels so. These are the temptations, these are the deviations, right? The person has yielded to that. The person is having low willpower. The person is going to the gym. Day 1, okay, doing all the workouts. Day 2 also goes well. Day 3, the muscles, the body starts paining. Obviously, when you are not doing the workouts, when you are not doing the workouts all through your life, and suddenly when you start doing, obviously there will be pain in the body, your muscle cramps, so many. They're all minor things, they should be overcome. Now the 3rd day or the 4th day, person feels, oh God, I can't go to the gym. I've seen thousands of people who start different kinds of workout, going to gym or yoga or doing some workout at home itself, but they seldom go ahead. 3rd day, 4th day, 5th day, 6th day, they stop and that's it. I have seen people who were alcoholic, taking lots of alcoholic drink or smokers. They want to quit this. This is a bad habit, as everybody knows. Stop drinking or smoking for a day or two, and again some friend comes, nothing happens, come on, have it, they say, this person again goes back. There is a saying in Telugu, Kukka toka vankarani. Have you seen the tail of a dog? It's never straight. Even if don't do this, I mean, the dogs are very faithful animals. We should not torture them. Just for your understanding, I am saying, if somebody ties a scale to the tail of a dog, the tail will look straight for a while. Once you remove that scale or that object, once again it becomes what it was earlier. అందుకే కుక్కతో ఒక వంకర అంటారు. మనిషి బుద్ధి కూడా, most of the people, their willpower is so weak, they want to do something, but finally they yield to temptations. So have you understood what is willpower now? Ability to resist temptations, the ability of a person, the resolve of a person to keep moving ahead in spite of all the temptations. This is called willpower. Now, shall I talk about yourself? Okay, every day after coming back from school, okay, all these days COVID era was, you are going through COVID era, so you are at home. Earlier when you are coming to school, going back home, you want to take a bath, then play for some time, then you want to do the homework, then you want to revise all the lessons that were taught to you in the school. And you want to get a good name for yourself. You resolve to do this so many times. But every day there is a temptation. One friend is calling you for playing for extra amount of time, extended play time, or some other chat with some other friend, or this diversion, that diversion. You feel bored, you want to watch cricket match, you want to watch another favorite TV show. These are all deviations, temptations, which they are like demons, which try to distract your attention, take you away from your goal. Every human being, right from a child till a person, old age person, everybody has got certain goals in life. But in the pursuance of their goals, they come across so many temptations. Only those who resist these temptations, in other words, those having strong willpower, will move ahead. This is called willpower. Without all this, can I tell you in one simple this thing? You might have watched an old movie of Mahesh Babu, one of the earliest hits of Mahesh Babu, Pokiri, a super duper hit, blockbuster hit. In that there is a famous dialogue. I like the dialogue actually. ఒక్కసారి కమిట్ అయితే నా మాట నేనే విన్నా అంటాడు మహేష్ బాబు. To put it in English for the sake of those children who can't understand Telugu, once I commit myself, I will not listen to myself. Means once I take a decision, once I am resolved, I keep moving ahead, irrespective of the diversions, irrespective of the temptations. This is the summary of willpower. My question to you is, are you having willpower? If the answer is yes, then you will be the winner in life. Those who don't have willpower, they keep failing in life, and they finally become fit for nothing. They can't accomplish anything. Somebody wants to quit smoking, they can't quit, and they finally, most of them, if not all of them, die out of cancer. Somebody wants to quit taking alcohol, they can't quit because of very weak willpower. They ruin their body, they ruin their family. And many students, they set goals for themselves. I should get into IIT, I should get into IAS, IPS, whatever goal. Finally, they are not successful because of weak willpower. So willpower is the one which makes all the difference to the life. Are you having willpower? Shall I tell you the methods to strengthen your willpower? Are you ready to listen?